I'm national correspondent Kayla Gaskins in Washington. The Trump administration is floating an ambitious and controversial vision for Gaza's future.
Turning a war-torn enclave into a world-class futuristic city filled with beach resorts and high-tech trains. That's the blueprint behind Project Sunrise, a Trump administration proposal pitching Gaza's reconstruction, obtained by the Wall Street Journal. U.S. officials say a team led by Jared Kushner and Middle East envoy Steve Witkoff developed the plan over the past month and a half. A 32-page presentation outlines a 4-phase rebuild, starting with humanitarian relief and ending with a luxury development along Gaza's coast. But critics say the plan is detached from the realities on the ground. We spoke with Kobe Michael, a senior researcher at the Israeli-based Institute for National Security Studies at Tel Aviv University.
I think that the idea that such a plan was introduced indicates about the huge gap of the American understanding about the Palestinian society.
The $112 billion 10-year plan would be anchored by nearly $60 billion in U.S. grants and loan guarantees, but it's contingent on Hamas fully disarming, a key reason critics question whether investors would take the risk.
You're not going to convince anyone to invest money in Gaza if they believe another war is going to happen in 2 to 3 years.
Successfully getting the Palestinians on board is another major hurdle. Kobe Michael says the Palestinians will likely see such a rebuilding plan as simply another form of colonialism.
The idea that it will be done by foreigners is something that is not accepted by the Palestinians themselves.
The White House says President Trump continues to monitor developments and remains committed to laying the groundwork for a peaceful and prosperous Gaza. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is set to visit Trump at Mar-a-Lago on December 29th. In Washington, I'm Kayla Gaskins.